All right, but before I unleash you, thank you, into the dog yard, I'm just gonna go over a couple of things. So first thing, when y'all get down there, you will notice that we have our dogs in a couple of different housing options.
Look at that one just came out. What?
Sleeping.
Oh yeah, a lot of them are sleeping.
Sorry, puppy. There. How's that? Huh? I'm afraid I'm gonna get your ear. That way? There.
This is a little doggy yoga. Downward dog.
Good pose.
You also notice that they don't have to beg the dogs. In fact, the dogs that aren't getting picked seem a little sad that it's not their turn.
Look at that. Look at them go. Oh, yeah.
These summer demos are kind of our way to see how the puppies do in teams, so.
The dogs are going to go back to their spot and their own power. You got a little treat when you get there. So twofold pride is just because these dogs are so strong, they're excited, and all. There goes Lucky. Here goes Lucky. See how he does. There he goes right home. In a generation. You want these Alaska Huskies, these living symbols of the Arctic and the North, still to be here, to carry your great-grandchildren's dreams and aspirations of frontier and adventure out into the great Denali wilderness one more time. Thank you, folks.
Don't knock those others down. That's like kids knocking snow forts down. Don't go in the water. One wet foot later. Oh, there it is.
That's what we're gonna ride tomorrow. I think it only has an engine in a car. Oh, is that cool?